This is an unboxing video for the Emperor's Throne from Regal Robots. Okay, we're gonna first slit around the perimeter on the top and then pull the entire top off to expose the entire chair, which is packed and should be shrink wrapped inside the box. You don't want to cut down into it, you want to cut up, because you never know if a knife is going to be too long and possibly cut into the fabric. But since the chair is shrink wrapped in the center, we should be just fine. Okay. Oh, you see, yeah, it is up against the back here, so you got to be a little careful. So we're shrink wrapped in, and then we want to cut down the sides away from the chair. Then we fold down the flap, and it's shrinked in a protective tray, and that just is slid out. Okay. And very carefully we go along the outside, just cut up through the plastic. And the chair has a protective cover on it, and there it is. The Emperor's chair comes with a certificate of authenticity and the official sign from Regal Robot. And there it is.